up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna. In this video we are installing a wig from Nadula Hair. You already know the vibes. Of course, all their information will be in the description box below. We are installing this really cute ginger lace frontal wig. I think it's 24 inches and it comes in this body wave texture, but you know we're already going to spice this one up, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So my hair is already braided. I just did braids going straight back per usual. The white stuff that you see is edge control, never mind that. And I pinned up my braids in the back. I'm using this wig, no, not wig protector, the glue protector that I use when I do my quick weaves to try and protect my hair in the front. Never tried this before. I saw this from another YouTuber. I forgot their name, but I'll link it down below. So I wanted to try this to see if it would help protect my edges against all that glue that we use when we tie down these wigs. So I'm just going to put it on my brush it on my edges, just in the front, like not over my entire head, but just in the front where the glue is going to be making contact with my hair, possibly. And then I'm going to blow dry it. Okay, and once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my stocking cap. I tried to find like a darker colored stocking cap, but this is as dark as it came for me. I think they make darker ones. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head and cover and cut out my eye holes, my ear holes, my mouth holes. Do I have to cut that one out? I don't think so. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut out all of these hole so I can see what I'm doing. And just really, I like to pull it tight like this too to make sure it's tighter on my head to kind of make it more sheer. I know people like to use like pantyhose or like stockings. I don't have any of those and I didn't go to the store to like buy any, so I'm kind of like trying to stretch it out to make it as like sheer as possible. And after I sprayed on the Got To Be Free spray, of course, I blow dried it to seal everything in place. It definitely took a lot longer than what you're seeing here. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess wig cap. So after I've cut off the excess wig cap, I'm stuck with this little predicament here where I have like little bits of the cap sticking up, like it's not completely flat on my head. I know some people use wig glue to lay down their stocking cap, but I'm so nervous about putting like all that glue on my hair. Like my edges are already thin enough. I don't need any extra support and thinning out my edges. Thank you very much. So I really use this Got To Be Free spray as much as I can. So what I do is I spray the free spray on the front of the cap and I kind of like melt it down with my comb and I seal it in place with my blow dryer to kind of create like this seamless look. I'm still perfecting this technique. It works, but I don't know. I feel like there's better techniques out there, but for now, this is what I do. Now I'm just going through with my black opal cream foundation and I'm putting it on the front of the wig cap to kind of make it look more like a ball cap and not just a stocking cap that I put on my head, you know. Just trying to make it look a little more natural. After that, it's time to slide on this wig, and what I'm going to be doing here is cutting off the excess lace to get a better idea of where the wig should sit on my head, make sure everything is fitting comfortably, and make sure you won't be able to see the cap. If you can, just making any adjustments that I need to before I go ahead and glue it down. And for this install, I'm going to be using Wonder Lace. This is actually my first time using this glue, and I actually really liked it. I thought it was kind of cool. It comes in a little red bottle, even though it comes out kind of bluish, if you can see here. I definitely should have wiped down my hairline with rubbing alcohol. I completely forgot. I was just trying to rush through this, honestly, truly. So that's why it looks a little crusty in the front. But I'm going to do like a ½ inch of glue, and I do about like 3 to 4 layers, really like 3 layers of the glue, but I'm not going to show me applying all 3 layers, just the one. Now I'm just going through with that same cream foundation and putting on the lace, even though I really didn't have to because this lace is already pretty transparent. I did bleach the knots to make it look a lot better. Yeah. And now I'm going to go ahead and slide this guy on my head. Honestly, I've done better wig cap jobs. Not even going to hold you. This one, it's a little rushed, but you know, I made it do what it do. It comes out looking cute in the end, so let's just pretend it didn't look raggedy. Okay, now we're going to go through and cut off the rest of this lace. Cut. And seal down with my glue anything that may have lifted while I was cutting the lace. You know, just the little pieces that didn't follow orders the first time. Now, just as an extra layer of protection or just an extra layer of security, I guess, I'm going to carve out or part where my edges are going to be. And then on that part behind my edges, I'm going to take my Wig Dealer spray. It's kind of like Wig Dealer's equivalent of Got to Be Free spray. And just spray it behind the hairline and seal it down for a few minutes with my elastic band. This just helps everything stay in place. All right, and while that sits, sorry if I have a lisp, I'm whitening my teeth and forgot I was recording a video. But anyways, while that sits, I'm going to go through and make my part, and I'm going to go through and flat iron my hair. I'm using the L'Oreal Sleek and Shine, Sleek and Shine to flat iron my hair. This really works so well. Just be careful because it's super slippery, and don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch me flat iron my hair because we all know what that looks like. I'm just going to skip through this part a little bit. Now I'm just going through with the wax stick that I got from Edge Booster, and I'm going to part my hair and put the wax on the root and then go through with my hot comb, and this really helps get your scalp like part super bone straight. I love this method. It works so well. Okay, I'm back to talking normal now. So, last but not least, the grand finale, the big shebang is the edges. Every single time I do my edges, I like to work on my technique. I know I'm not perfect and there's like a million different ways to do your edges, so I just like to try different ways. I don't know. I feel like I've came a long way because the way that I used to do edges, honey, anyways, we ain't even gonna talk about it. God is good. So, yeah, now I'm just going through and cutting my edges, curling them. Then I'm gonna go through with my FOG mousse and swoop them. After I took that head wrap off, I felt like this was too many baby hairs. I feel like this is how people started doing baby hairs when we first learned about lace front wigs. So I decided to fix it a little bit. Last but not least, I need to just put a little bit of concealer on my part to make it look wider. But besides that, we are done. Okay, I have been waiting so long to talk about this wig because it's so pretty. This is like become my favorite wig because I love this color so much. Okay, every time I get a new wig, I say it's my favorite wig, but this one for real is like my favorite. I love this color. I've had no issues with this hair, of course. It's really good quality. No tangling, no shedding, nothing like that. Just a really good wig for sure. Definitely cute for the summer, for the fall, really all year round. This color is amazing. Anyways, all of the information for this hair is in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios, till next time.